This weekend, I decided to change the wind. Instead of going to a coffee shop or watching a movie, I chose to go out to eat. But not to eat normally, but to eat in a space that is both drinking and chill. A place suitable for both groups of friends who like to have fun and those who need a private space to enjoy food. The first dish I ordered was quite strange, but very tasty. Shrimp with cheese sauce served with bread. The shrimp was grilled just right, the meat was firm, covered with a layer of golden, stringy, fatty cheese. The cheese blended with a light cream sauce, a little pepper, and herbs. Pick up the shrimp, lightly smear it with cheese, place it on a slice of crispy bread, take a bite. Oh my, it's the type of appetizer that opens up the taste buds. Next is salt fried chicken, a national dish on the drinking tray. The fried chicken is crispy. The outer layer is just the right amount of crispy. The meat is soft and sweet inside. The salt is roasted loosely, fragrant with lemongrass and fried lemongrass leaves. Then came boiled vegetables with coquette sauce, a simple dish that everyone who eats it will nod in agreement. The vegetables include green beans, carrots, chayote, and Chinese cabbage, boiled just right to retain their crispness. Coquette has a fragrant aroma of fried onions and pepper with crispy pork fat inside. Dip a piece of vegetable in and chew thoroughly, just like the taste of home. Not fussy, but extremely delicious. The shaking beef is also not beyond expectations. The beef is stir-fried just right, soft, not tough, and retains its sweetness. Eaten with onions, red and green bell peppers to create an extremely beautiful color. Each piece of beef is soaked in spices, lightly dipped in salt, pepper, and lemon is enough to explode with flavor. To balance the meal, I ordered stir-fried water spinach with garlic. The two stir-fried vegetables not only help to reduce the feeling of fullness, but also show quite good cooking skills. Green vegetables stir-fried over high heat to retain their crispness. Fried garlic is golden brown and fragrant. Salad mixed with vinegar and oil is cool, refreshing, and makes a very reasonable base for savory dishes. A dish that I highly appreciate for its rustic creativity is raw bitter melon served with dried shrimp. The melon is sliced thinly, soaked in ice so it is crispy and less bitter. When picked up with a piece of dried shrimp, it is salty and slightly fatty, very appetizing. This dish is strange, but delicious. Anyone who loves strange dishes should try it. Moving on to grilled dishes. The restaurant's grilled shrimp is very tasty. The shell is burnt on the edges. The shrimp meat is sweet and firm. Not too fussy. Just dip it in salt, pepper, and lemon and it's delicious. Grilled pork cheek. The skin is grilled until crispy. The inside is a layer of soft meat. Fatty but not greasy, dipped with green chili salt. The more you eat, the more spicy it is on the tip of your tongue. There's another small dish that I really like, tofu marinated in scallion oil. The tofu is fried crispy on the outside, still soft on the inside. Drizzled with a layer of hot scallion oil, sprinkled with a little sesame salt to eat for fun. But I thought it wouldn't be delicious, but it turned out to be incredibly delicious. This is a place worth visiting, not only because of the delicious food and beautiful space, but also because of the fun, youthful, modern spirit that the restaurant brings.